we come to Thonglun Chicken Rice Shops, which has been operated for 50 years. And this chicken rice shop has been visited by 2 former prime ministers before. So let's try about it. What is so special about this chicken rice shop is the chicken is made from organic chicken. And this is the roast pork. And also the special formulated sauce. What is so special about this is that both the meat is served that not so oily. And the rice also, they separate each other. It's not sticky. They separate very, very detailed. I would like to say that the chicken is less oily, it's steamed, and then the rice is so aroma. Here they also serve with the roasted pork. The meat is so tender and the outside is so crispy. Let's try about it. Even though this one is crispy outside, but we can see that almost have no oil from the meat. And I would like to come again next time when I visit to hatyai, because this is the hotspot that we can never miss.